Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's nail art I decided to make a voiceover to explain well what I'm doing, as this is a stamping on a gel polish. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So I start with gel base coat. I apply one coat and cure it in UV lamp. Then I'm using gel polish in burgundy red. I apply 2 coats and again I cure each and every coat in a lamp. Next I apply No Wipe top coat and cure it in a lamp. And then I'm applying my mirror powder. This is important to apply it on No Wipe top coat, as on the regular one it will not apply as smoothly. So when I have my special effect on the nail, I remove the excess with some brush, and then I will be stamping on this nail directly without curing it, and I will be stamping with regular nail polish, as gel polish does not dry on a plate, so you will not be able to pick it up. When the image is on my nail, I need to clean up my cuticle if there's need, of course, and after that I'm applying my gel top coat. And it's done. I hope you like it. If so, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye!